We've had some deaths in Iron Lake that are very similar to an old Miami Metro case. Do you remember the Bay Harbor butcher?
Cristo. That was a gruesome one.
What can you tell me about Sergeant Dokes?
I sat next to him every day for 10 years.
Do you believe that he did it?
My old captain actually thought it was someone else in the precinct.
Who?
Dexter Morgan, but he died years ago. Chief Bishop.
Check your email.
Madre de Dios. Dexter Morgan is alive.